what Product Hype put together is the way to go in the market. The video was able to capture exactly what our product does in 1 minute. I would strongly recommend working with them if you're trying to move fast, try to move quick, but still want a top-notch quality product. My name's Nipa Patel, and I am the founder and CEO of Themis. Themis is a compliance collaboration company where we help banks, fintechs, and regulated institutions build strong compliance frameworks. We are launching our new product, and first time people were seeing it and they loved it. We wanted people to see the video, get excited, call us, send us an email, want to see more of our demo, and that's exactly the results we got. One of the things I really liked that Product Hype did is they actually took real live features and demo features from our product. And so it really showed live like how people can use the product, how people benefited the product. I think having that live demo being shown to customers really helps them relate to why they want to use it, their pain points. So I think the aesthetics of the video really nailed it. We did have very strict and tight deadlines for the team, and they exceeded our expectations, and they were able to deliver even prior to when we needed it. To date, we've showed it to only at conferences to high-level executives, and those are the people that are the decision makers in buying Themis. And so we've just got a lot of inbound, a lot of contracts that we're signing soon, and it was all just because they saw the Product Hype video. It was the first time they got exposed to Themis, and people just got excited and want to be part of what we're building.